Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This video is part of a series taking a look at Cadence's blocks one by one. This video in particular is taking a look at the video pop-up block. To get started, let's create a brand new blank page to look at this block on its own. There's a couple ways to do this, and if you're on the front end of your website and logged in, you'll have this top toolbar. Simply hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you're on your dashboard, head over to your left-hand sidebar, down to Pages, and click on Add Page. Alright, once we're here, a few housekeeping things before we move forward. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, just click on the button beside Publish called Settings, and this is where all of our settings to toggle and configure for the block will appear. Next, let's give our page a title. Just to keep things organized, and last but not least, let's add the block itself. Click on this blue button over here on the top left. It's called the block inserter. Now, we can either search for the block or scroll down, and since Cadence blocks is on top of list for us, we don't have to scroll down too far. And here we have video pop-up. Now let's go ahead and drag and drop that, or just click on it, into our workspace, and now let's first select an image. So let's select an image and we'll grab it from our media library here. We have one of our thumbnails from one of our other videos. And let's take a look at our settings. Now, what kind of video is it? YouTube, Vimeo, VideoPress, those are what work. And self-hosted means one of the videos within our media library. Unfortunately, it's a Kadence Pro option. But instead, we can paste one of our links here, hit enter, and there we go. And we can embed it with no cookies and autoplay it if it's possible. Next, we can edit our image here. Now we can either change the image or change the file size, right? It's going to change up the resolution a bit. I'll keep it on full. And we can add a background, but let's go ahead and make this square. Okay, and then under style, we can change the video width, but this is for the video itself, and the pop-up background. You'll see how it's going to look like. I'll turn it to red, and you'll see how it's going to look like. And then we'll make this black, and you'll see how it looks like in a bit. Don't worry. Probably blue. Okay. And then we have a bunch of other options here, such as pop animation, play icon, image overlay, border settings, and shadow. But those are pro features. Now, onto advanced, we can change the padding and margins, but as well as the maximum width. So we can shrink this down within our site, and we can change the aspect ratio back to wide, and it can be a smaller, take a smaller footprint on our actual page rather than occupy the whole space. So let's go ahead and click on Publish and see how this looks like. Now, before we move forward, we have block defaults. We can save this as our template. And we just have to change our link and our image here if we wanted to keep our padding and margin and width and other styles the same. And our advanced settings here is the HTML anchor and additional CSS classes. Now let's go ahead and take a look at our finished product on our site. With that saved, let's click on View Page, and this is how our video pop-up looks like on our live site. We hover over it and it gets dark. Let's click on it, and you can see the changes we made a while ago in our settings here. And we close that. That's how it's going to be. And it's going to autoplay once we open it. So there's how you use Cadence's video pop-up block in WordPress, at least the free version. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.